Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view spam comments on Instagram using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to reveal those hidden comments, so you can see everything that's being filtered out by Instagram's automatic settings. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on that icon to expand a list of additional options. From here, select Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage all sorts of preferences for your Instagram account. Scroll through the settings until you find the section called Hidden Words. This is the area where Instagram automatically filters out comments it thinks are spam or offensive, keeping them out of sight. Click on Hidden Words to open the settings for comment filtering. Here, you'll see an option that says Hide Comments. If this feature is turned on, Instagram is actively hiding what it considers to be spam or inappropriate comments from your posts. To make these comments visible again, simply disable the Hide Comments toggle. Once you've switched it off, all comments, including those previously filtered as spam, will now appear under your posts, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram settings so you can see all comments, even the ones Instagram tried to hide. This can be really helpful if you want to moderate your own comments or just stay aware of everything happening on your posts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.